Okay, learners, it was the first case here when ray of light passed from rarer to denser medium. Next case is here when ray of light passed from denser to rarer medium. As the boundary which separates two media is known as interface. Suppose that this one is denser medium, medium 1, and second is here, second medium is rarer medium. Similarly, when here we will draw a perpendicular with respect to the interface. This one is incident ray, normal, angle between incident ray and normal is I, incident angle of incidence. Okay, the case is ray of light traveling from denser to rarer medium. Actual path should be like this, but you will observe when ray of light enters from denser to rarer medium, then it will refract, it will bend away from the normal, like this. Suppose O is the point where incident ray strike, or OB is a refracted ray. This one is angle of refraction R. So in this case here, when ray of light enters from denser to rarer medium, then ray of light will bend or refract away from the normal, like this. Here angle of incidence is less than that of angle of refraction. Clear? These are two important terms which you have to understand and you have to keep in your mind. Simply, when ray of light enters from rarer to denser medium, then refracted light bend towards the normal. When ray of light enters or travels from denser to rarer medium, then it will refract away from the normal. Clear? Okay. Next is here about refractive index. Refractive index. It is denoted by N, or in some books they have written mu. What is the definition or meaning of refractive index? Simply you should write refractive index of a medium. Refractive index of a medium is a physical quantity which gives a measure of the angle of bending of light. which gives a measure of the angle of bending of light. Okay, you have to note down refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 can be written as, how you will write it, or first of all you should know how we can define it. Refractive index of a medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is defined as simply what? The ratio of light of medium 1 to the ratio of speed of light in medium 2. Listen again. Here if you have to write refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1, it is simply what? The ratio of speed of light in medium 1 to the speed of light in medium 2. So it may be written as like this, that is n21 means refractive index of medium second medium with respect to 1, it is equal to speed of light in medium 1. To the speed of light in medium 2. Clear? There may be different cases where we have to find the refractive index, such as refractive index of glass with respect to air, refractive index of water with respect to glass. So that may be also written by using this technique. Clear?